Case review time. Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST here, please say. I have my brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro and I bought the Ringke Fusion magnetic case. That should work with Pixel 10 and 10 Pro because they share the same size. As you can see, 6.3 inches. And before I continue with the video, let me share something with you that I believe is very important, because the Google Pixel 10 series, first time in a Pixel phone where a magnetic attachment system exists, and it's called the Google Pixel Snap. So basically what happened is that Google adopted the G2 standards for securing and aligning connections and for wireless charging, and I want to show you how this works. This is now my Pixel 10 Pro phone without any case, and this thing here is a nice accessory by Banks. I can just go boom, directly stick it on my phone. And honestly guys, yes, it's not so strong probably as a MagSafe, but it's still strong enough, and this was also the reason why I decided to go and buy the Ringke Fusion magnetic case, because it has here an extra neodymium magnet that hopefully is going to give me even better grip. But I also want to show with you how this thing can be useful. Again, I'm able to just take any wireless charger. This one is provided by my friend at Cooksiu, and just stick my phone like this, boom, and it's gonna attach. And as you can see, my phone is going to charge, which is actually very cool. And this is, I think, a big charger, because you can put your watch, you can also put your headphones down below, and I'm able to just stick it on my phone. Now, it isn't that strong, specifically when you compare it with MagSafe, and this is why I wanted to go and test out this case. This case has built-in magnets, neodymium magnets, and I really hope that they will make the fit even more secure. So without any further ado, let's try to unbox it. Yeah, in case you wonder, this costed me 22 euros. Time for unboxing. Okay, just pop this like this. I'm gonna remove the case, put it there, and okay, there are some instructions, and yep, a nice Ringke sticker. Yeah, I hope that's a sticker. I think it is. So I'm gonna put it there. And then guys, here we have the installation instructions. It's very important when you want to use this case to first remove the protective film. We have two protective films. One is on the inside and another one is on the outside. So this is how you're supposed to remove it. You have to peel the outer protective film from the edge of a case. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna try to find it. Okay, see, this thing should really go away and expose this beautiful magnet. And then guys, you need to pull the inner one. Okay, yeah, it is here. I really hope that I'm not gonna scratch my case, but there is no other way. Boom, here we are guys. This is the Ringke Fusion magnetic case, and honestly, it looks very good. It's very similar to the case I used on my previous Pixel, the 9 Pro XL. This one though is a bit different. It has soft TPU on all the sides, right, and then hard polycarbonate on the back, which hopefully should protect my phone. And the first thing I would like to do is just see how strong are those magnets. Okay, I think they should be really strong enough. Is this also gonna stick on my wireless charger? Let's try to test. Yep. I have a feeling that the magnets are almost as strong as the ones included on my Pixel, but nevertheless, more magnets, hopefully a better secure fit. Now, let's see what I have on the side. We start on the right side where we have some openings if you want to use a strap. So here opening, and also on the left side. Then we have the Ringke logo. Okay, we have the volumes for the volume rocker, which means that your buttons are going to be fully protected. And then we have also a button for the power button, which is also covered, and I like the fact that it has this nice texture here, very grippy, and you can certainly tell, okay, this is the power button. The volume buttons are flat, and this one here has a different texture, which I think is cool, because you always know, like, okay, listen, this is the power button and those are the volume buttons. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we do have a magnetic case designed by Ringke, okay, and pay attention guys, those are the corners. So it seems that we have 4 impact absorbing air pockets. Hopefully, if you drop your phone and it's gonna hit a corner, you know, it's gonna be safe, because I do believe that those here are extra reinforced and it will provide additional protection like an air cushion. Now it's time to weight it The official specs are 31.5 grams. Yeah, very nice, guys. Absolutely sticks 31 grams. And now, guys, without any further ado, I'm just going to take my Pixel 10 Pro and put it inside and tell you about the feet and the installation. All right, now I'm inside. Okay, guys, all the corners completely snapped. Honestly, my first impression is that it's adding a bit of a bulk, but it adds also very nice grip. So this thing here is really sticky. Let's take a look here at the corners, guys. I do believe this is important. We have raised bezels on each corner, adding 1.5 millimeters, which will provide some additional protection for your screen. If, let's say, you drop your phone like this, it's not going to land directly flat on the screen. All right, we have 1.5 millimeters raised bezels. And also, guys, pay attention, the same happens also on the camera. We have the whole camera unit exposed, but there is a raised bezel here. Hopefully, if you drop your phone like this, your camera won't suffer. What about the buttons? Well, they feel nice and tactile, and I have a feeling that I'm not using case at all. What I probably like best is the fact that we have a different pattern, different texture on the power button that is not really the original buttons that are absolutely flat. So now when I just touch this thing here, oh, I will know this is my power button. I think that's a clever solution, by the way, right? One more look at these air pockets. This shock absorption here and here, very good openings here, guys, for the microphone. Also perfectly aligned for the USB-C and then the microphone and the speaker. Honestly, this is a good looking case. Now, let's try to see how strong are those magnets. I'm gonna put the phone like this. Oh my God. Okay, this is cool. This is really, really cool. And yeah, this is gonna stick for sure. Now let's try to test the charging. So I'm gonna try to align it. Boom. Okay, very secure fit. It is gonna stay. Let me try to drop it. I think if I apply more force, it's probably gonna drop. Okay, oops, yep, you see. So it isn't that strong like the MagSafe. Maybe if I use that side, yeah, definitely not as strong as MagSafe. But hey, wireless charging is still gonna work, which is a great addition. And I kind of like that white outline on the magnet here and down below. Guys, this has been the Ringke Fusion magnetic case. I think it's a solid product. It's not so cheap, but it's also not expensive, probably somewhere in the mid with the 22 euro. This one really provides strong protection. Okay, we have the raised bezels here for the camera and also to cover the screen. It adds a bit of a bulk, that's probably like the downside, but hey, extra bulk means extra protection for your screen and also for your camera. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.